Hello fellow awkward humans, we are back and I'm very excited because in case you didn't notice, I got my camera back up and running. Don't call it a comeback, because the only reason it was not running was because I lost the battery. Parents don't buy gifts for irresponsible children. I'm also really excited because I have decided to do my makeup on camera for you because...
Who doesn't want to look like this?
Just kidding. I watched some of Nikki Tutorial's challenge videos with her makeup and I got really excited and I commented in the comments, do your makeup with the Whirlpool filter on TikTok. I know I had seen a few people drawing cats with that and that did not go well for them, so I assume this will create an undesirable outcome. It's hot in my bathroom. I also saw someone do this on TikTok or like talk about it on TikTok and I was like, well, I don't know if I commented first or if you made this video first, but like, I'm sure somebody did it before both of us. For your viewing pleasure, I am going to put the TikTok filter, Whirlpool filter thing that I'm going to be using to do my facial makeups in the corner while you see the result as it's happening. And I won't know exactly what it looks like until the end, and then I will reveal it to myself and cry. Okay, let's go. Okay, my hair is up like a bird's nest on top of my head. My face is clean and fresh like a baby's butt. Why do we call things as soft and clean as a baby's bottom? Because while they are little miracles of nature itself, they're also some of the loudest, stickiest little demons to ever waddle across the living room floor. So we're going to take inspiration from this Nikki Tutorial's look. I have no idea how she created it because she is the queen of color, but also because I'm just not very good at making pigment do the pigment. So we're going to go with the color scheme theme instead of creating the exact look because I'm not that great. Like, I'm okay, but I'm not like that great. Okay, so let's put the Whirlpool filter on and let's start with our skin. Let's start with our skin. Yes, the skin. And there we go. Okay, hello. So I'm going to be doing my face like this. And the first thing I'm going to do is put powder on my face. I don't know what kind of powder this is because my mom gave it to me a long time ago and I'm mixed, so it's probably not my shade. It's probably her shade. So let's do it. Feel free to come at me for my makeup application. I've also been doing contour before my foundation because TikTok told me to. Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Okay, so this is where my chin should kind of end and then begin. There we go. I'm gonna blend all that in. Continue. Okay, I'm just gonna start on my forehead. That's how I do this, is I just spill it all over my clothes. Oh my god. We're gonna blend it out as much as we can. Oh yeah. What's really gonna be difficult is when we start all the eyes. I chose something very difficult because it's more fun. Alright! This is what we look like right now. And now we're going to move on to eyebrows. I like my eyebrows, actually. I think my eyebrows are pretty darn good as far as...
That's nasty.
I just spit. I cannot see where I'm filling them in. So this is just kind of what we got. Look at my hands. I don't take very long to do my makeup because I don't know how to do my makeup. So this is fun. Confessional. This is great. I'm getting to know you. You're getting to know me. So now, I think I'm like free to start the eyeballs. Why am I talking like this? I don't freaking know. But we're gonna start the eyeballs. I've got a beautiful set, yes, of Morphe brushes. Do I clean them? No. And I've got a lovely old and chalked up Morphe palette. Did my boyfriend buy it for me? Yeah. It's got some cute shades. It's got some shimmery shades in there. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Let's put it on our eyeballs.
My whirlpool stopped.
We're gonna keep going. Hello, I'm back there. Am I up here? Yeah. Okay, so now time for eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna make sure my face is all nice and squiggly. Great. So this is what looks like is my eyelid right here. And this one looks like it, ow, that hurt. Over here. Stop talking like that. Oh my God. So now is where things get difficult. Because I know this is probably like great, perfect, A level. Oh my God, there's so much on my pants. But the colors, that is where we're going to run into some issues. You remember this video? If you don't, you're too old. Wait, you're too young. I'm too old. All right. So she goes red in her corner. She blows that out into some pink on the outside. Orange comes over the top. And then we go straight into yellow, green, blue comes around the inner corner. There's like a dash of white underneath the eyeshadow or the lower lash line, sort of, and the inner corner, whatever. And then purple fills it out on the lower lash line. So, and we know Nikki likes to blow it out, so we're gonna attempt to blow it out. Truthfully, I've never done anything like this in my life. So, if you could, take a moment, collect yourself, pray for me. These are my brushes. There are many like them, but these are mine. They're trying to play games that I don't want to play, and I don't have any yellow in this palette.
Beep, 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 beep. Whoopa.
This is shiny, and it says, "Take me back to Brazil," and it's a palette, and I'm going to also put it on my face. I like this one. The colors are bright. My boyfriend's sister got this for me. How nice. Those colors are brighter. Yeah, we're just going to use the tiny Take Me to Brazil. That's what we're using today. Okay, so to place this myriad of colors, we're going to start with this. Is it clean? No. Do I have anything to clean it? No. Do I sound like that girl that taught us all how to contour and told us men don't like nostrils? A little. What's her name? What is she doing? I really miss her videos. I hope she's okay. We have primed, so let's start with some red in the outer corner. Alright, alright. I can actually see it on the thing, and that is new for me because I don't ever see pigment on my frickin' eyeballs, and I guarantee it's because I don't know what I'm doing. But it is nice to see. I can't make a triangle shape right now. And skillfully, we're just gonna flip the brush over and put some pink on it. Alright, so we're gonna sort of try and find our eyebrow and come out to that. Do I think that worked? No. Because I can't even see my eyebrow on this side. Yeah, so like I know what I'm doing. I'm going to take this other dirty brush. Do I know what kinds of brushes these are? No. They don't even have numbers on them, so it's not like I can help you. Whoop, not like you want my help. I'm going to try to blend the two. Yeah. Like this eye over here, there is no like eye shape. I don't know what it looks like. Okay. Continuing. Orange over the top to marry the two together. Yes. Yes. Alright, so we're going to find some bright freaking yellow. We're just going to put it sort of right here, closer to the middle. Do I know where it is? No. I'm like Dora. We're going to make this a Dora the Explorer video now. Can you find where the yellow should go? Me neither. green. And I think she used like a darker green, so we're gonna use a darker green. Okay. More? Yes. Like from the bottom of my soul, I believe that none of these pigments are very bright on my face. So, if I look at my face later and it turns out that they look bomb, this is the only palette I'm gonna use. Forever. I don't care what you say. But seriously though, I am looking to expand my makeup horizons. So if you have a palette that works good for medium, if you know of a palette that works good for like medium to dark skin tones, I guess I'm like medium dark. Can you tell me? I need some help. Okay, now we're gonna go with blue. And hers was kind of icy. So I'm gonna go with this. Oh God. Oh God. I could tell on the brush. This pigment is real. And she kind of pulled it. I don't want to know what I look like. Her, what is this thing? Her tear duct. And after this, we're just gonna attempt to blend, you know? We're gonna attempt to blend our little hearts out. Someone help me. Sorry if my Whirlpool filter is a little off. She's leaning now. The phone is leaning against the camera stand and is what we had to do. So I think this is a darker purple, so I'm gonna go with this under the lower lash line. I feel like a circus clown. Give me a circus clown name. Put it in the comments. As far as I can tell, we're going to cut this crease and put like an icier, lighter color on top of it. And actually, I'm going to use a different palette for that color, I think. So, let's cut this crease, benches. Oh, yeah. Oh. I don't know. Cutting the crease. I wish someone would cut the sides of my sandwiches. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this. I don't think so. How does that TikTok thing go? She put her cat in a microwave oven to eat it? Yeah, to eat it? No. No, 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 no. It is the weirdest thing, but I like it. Hello? I look like E.T. Since when does E.T. do that? And we're just gonna take this nice shimmery white down at the bottom of my Take Me to Brazil palette. And we're gonna put it on my eyelid. Heck yeah. Alright. White eyeliner. Oh God. Oh God. It's over. We done. Gotta go. Get out. Alright. Oh my God. I can't. Oh wait, I'm trying to put it on top. Lower lash line, liner. I'm gonna go V of the tear duct. That's what the goal is. Literally pray for me that I don't blind myself. Oh my God! Oh, I can't do it! Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, well we can do the tear duct, but I can't get... My eyeballs will not let me stand for this, so here's the tear duct because I can like feel that it's not going to hurt me. I think that's all we're getting. I apologize for that letdown. So we're going to take this CoverGirl Cheekers that I've had. I think this might be my very first blush. I'm 25. Not like first one I bought, like first one I ever had. What's an expiration date? We don't know her. We're just going to do a wing. Oh, yes. I really cannot even see if these are connecting. So, let's just assume that's where it's supposed to go. Heck yeah! I can feel that it's wrong, but I can't see it. But I will tell you what I cannot see is my lower lash line. My lower lash line, for those of you that don't speak dumb. Am I cute? Time for highlighter. This, I have the Jeffree Star because my friend gave it to me, not because I bought it. I don't have money, and when I do, I don't spend it on things that I should. spending a lot of my money on food. I feel cute. I feel accomplished. I feel like this went so well. Now, I am going to get out my mirror and look at myself. Oh. Okay. Okay. What? Here's what I'm not mad about. Foundation stuff, it's very like cakey, it looks funky, but like it's kind of even-esque. I look like I got into my mom's makeup and decided that I like the pretty colors. I'm not mad actually so much at the color placement though, because generally right areas. Cannot see the green, cannot see the yellow. This wing, she tried. She came to work on 3 hours of sleep, got her coffee, and at least did her job. This one left the country. Let's give you a closer view because I know you need it, yes. So this is our result today. I hope you had fun because I had a blast. I need to go order sushi, and please, if you try this whirlpool effect on anything that you're doing, please tag me. I will put in my TikTok and my Twitter and my Instagram just because I want to see what your face comes out like. Or your cat's if you're drawing a cat. I got my camera back. Well, it's way too hot in this room and it shut off. So, we're gonna end it like this. Yeah. But anyway, make sure you do something that makes you laugh at yourself sometime soon. While you're out there being you, please don't forget to be beautifully socially awkward.